Hey, good morning. It is May 17th, Wednesday. And looking at the news, we have very, very little news. You can see we have some US news at 10:30. Well, I had some at 8:30 here. We had building permits and housing starts. These are both really important numbers on a bigger scale, but I don't know why they're yellow because actually this is really, really important for future growth, future of what's happening in the US. 1.42 million permits, a little bit less than expected. Starts were as expected. This is very, very weather sensitive to how many starts we get. And building permits are a little bit more solid. However, it is possible that someone would get a building permit and then not follow through. That is possible, but these are very important numbers for the economy. The crude oil inventories at 10:30, and that's all the news we have. Again, light news, no catalyst, and that means we are back to the same old, same old. And it's really hard to come up with some sort of commentary to talk about when the market's just going sideways and really not doing anything. But I think the purpose that we need to constantly remind ourselves is that we do the process. The process is what makes us consistent traders. And the process is the most important piece. It helps us be disciplined. It helps us to not make stupid mistakes. So we go through the process every day, even though sometimes it's getting boring, to say the least. But hey, we're going sideways here. No surprise. No surprises. It is, we almost have a very, very, if you want to really stretch this and try to micromanage this a little bit, we are getting a very, defined squeeze here. We're squeezing into the middle, which means that, at some point we're going to break out in one direction or the other. In the short run, however, based on the size of the candles, the highs are not even within reach. So maybe, if we have a big day, maybe 41.83 top side, bottom side 40.88. It's just compressing with nowhere to go, but we will explode at some point. That being said, tis what it is. Yes. Inventory was down, and price action was also down. So those are correlated. Nothing to write home about or to read into. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Intraday support and resistance. There's some resistance at 41.59, some more at 41.75. We're going to round it, and 41.95. These are very, very similar numbers to what we've been talking about day after day because we're in the same basic range. Support, we've got a decent amount of support around 41.26. Below that, 41.20 and 41. I'm going to say 41.09. Now, what is interesting is you can see here's the overnight low at 21 and the overnight high at 40. That's barely, not even 20 S&P points for the overnight range. That just says it all. Small, relatively small range. Not much going on. It is what it is. Stock Trader's Almanac is negative today, heavily negative. There's only a 38.1% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. So we flip that number around. It's a 62% chance that the market will go down. So very bearish outlook from a historical perspective. There you go. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment if so desired. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.